Hello guys. If you haven't watched the first video, you should watch the first video because this is a tutorial how to set up Visual Studio Code. So let's get to it. And this video is gonna be short. Not unlike the second video, the first video that literally very long. Enough yapping. Let's get to it. So first thing first, I'm gonna show you 3 ways. It's gonna be quick. So first thing first, you can click on this and you put it, and you can click on this, or you can search it, or you can just search it up, or you can just search it up. Boom, VS Code, Visual Studio Code, boom, bam. Or you can just find the terminal and just find terminal, type T, find the terminal, but it's whatever. So you can just type in code. So now the first part is done. Now the second part is set up Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. If I'm going too fast, then you might need to slow the video down, but it's whatever. So now you wanna go to files. No, don't click on files. Instead, click on this. When you click on this, then you want to click on open folders. And then when you click on open folders, then you want to create a folder. This is your project. This is a folder name. It's gonna be name and everything. It can be anything, but it's gonna be your project. It's gonna be a project for future videos. So in the meantime, just type pi or any other name. So when you press create, and basically you just click on your username and just press open and let it load for a second. Let it load, and boom, the first boom. You're not done yet, but now you wanna go all the way right to the extensions. But if you see this, then just press I trust the authorities. You can correct me in the comments, but it's whatever. So now you just wanna click on this extension, Control Shift X, or just click on it. Then you want to find the language called Python, great for beginners. Great for the beginners. You will thank me later. After this. After big indie games. So now you wanna click on. This one. It's have 4 stars. So this one's looking promising, but it's whatever. So you wanna click on this, install, and let VS Code fully load. Once VS Code is fully loaded, I realized from a mistake is fully loaded. Then you wanna go. In the meantime, you can click on go back to this, and then you wanna click on new files. When you create new files, then you wanna then you want to say name as a placeholder to name any folder. A folder must be proven. So once you type, so I'm gonna name KY and then dot PY Python, and now you want first type your name and then put a dot and then put PY at the end. That's your language. And let it load for a second, and boom. So I'm gonna time skip because VS Code is not fully loaded yet. VS Code is not fully loaded yet, and I spoke too soon. Never mind. So type print, print print hi or hello. Make sure the language actually working and let it load. And boom. Visual Studio is fully set up, but we still need. There's one missing piece we're missing. It's called Pygame. It allows you to make games and build stuff. So now you wanna. So now, let me see if I still got that. Fine. So now so I'm gonna do some research. After this, but this time I will just make this quick because I don't want the video to get too long. So enough yapping. Let's figure this. Enough yapping. Let me time skip. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is I realized, you know, this copy would this write write down the code what I do, okay? So basically just write down everything what I do. Literally what I just pasted. Literally. So everything, so the app update, so the app install Python venv. So basically I want you to write down that and then press enter. And make sure you pause the video. And then you wanna press Y, capital Y. You know? When you press now links those things. And now you're gonna have to now you want to just paste this one. Now you want to paste. So now okay, so you want to paste in this one. Oh no, not select all, never mind. Boom. This code, this command just create the environment. Basically just create the environment. Literally. My game. And now just paste in this. Now just paste this one. Okay, so now I've been trying to say is cop. Basically just write down. Basically just write down something. Basically just write down what I do, and basically that's it. I've been trying to say. So now you wanna just type in this. Type in this. When you type in this, then you wanna press enter. We notice your environment. Do you want to select for your workspace? Yes. Okay, so finally, now you finally. So first thing first, activate the sudo apt and then just boom. So now you wanna write. You wanna write down this code. You wanna write down this one, and this one actually activates it, and boom. Now virtual environment is fully fixed. Now we just need to add Pygame. Pygame is literally a library that allows you to literally just create games. But I will explain that. Sooner. But I have to explain the syntax and everything. For now, just copy what I do. I'm not gonna say this. I'm not gonna say this one more time before you actually click off this video. Literally. Anyway, the one you wanna do now is just okay. What I want to do now is just copy this code. Okay, so now, no, instead of this, so now you wanna just copy this, and then wanna just write down this. If this doesn't work, that means you just type in this command, literally. Let it download for a second. Boom. And boom, it's fully downloaded. But if pip is not working, then you just type in this code. Then you type in this one. Sudo apt and then install pip. Install. Yoink. And then you want to just install. And then you want to just use no. And finally, you want to just finally install pip. And then just try it again. And then try the command again. This command I'm talking about. No. Pip install. Just try it again, okay? But if it doesn't work, you have to kind of use ChatGPT for this. Literally. So now we're fully set up Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching. And this is part 2 finished. Peace out. Now well, it's whatever. Are you still watching this? Screw whatever. Screw. Fine. Find the intro. The outro. The outro. Fine, I'll give you the outro since you're still watching.